Hi there, I'm Dawn Grant, your mental trainer and hypnotherapist. The question that I'm addressing today is, what if I don't wake up from hypnosis? Okay, so a very common question, a very common concern, and it's very likely that people have that concern because they really haven't been taught what hypnosis is. You know, it's nobody's fault. You just see things on TV and you hear different things and you believe that a person's in an unconscious or a sleep type state in hypnosis, and that's not true. You will always wake up from hypnosis because you're not asleep. The only thing that you wake up from is sleep. So if you think of hypnosis for what it truly is, a daydreamy type state in which your subconscious is completely aware the whole time, all you have to do is decide you want to open up your eyes and you open up your eyes. This is why at like a stage comedy hypnosis show, you see people walking around with their eyes open. They're not asleep. They're not unconscious. So you actually pass through hypnosis every time you fall asleep and every time you wake up in the morning, but it's not a sleep state. It's that in between. It's kind of like a power nap. So if the only thing you wake up from is sleep, and hypnosis isn't sleep, it's only a relaxed state. It's like meditation. It's like doing a power nap. It's like just deciding I need to close my eyes and take a break right now. At any of those different stages, you can open up your eyes and be right back to your conscious level of awareness. So it's very easy to emerge then from hypnosis whenever you desire.